Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today we will discuss a very important topic, that is prime factorization. Factorization of any number. Okay, before that I must say subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel, as well as press the bell icon so that you can get the updated video in time. Okay, so let us start with prime factorization. Before that, I just want to say, what is factorization? Actually, what is factorization means when a number is divided into its factor, is split into its factor. The number are of two types. One is prime number and one is composite number, right? Prime number is having only two factors, one and the number itself, and second one is composite number. So in prime factorization, what we have to do, we have to split a composite number into its factor. Which factors? That factors must be prime factors. This is important. Okay, prime factorization, if a prime number is there, suppose 13 is a prime number, what are its factor? 1 and 13, they are already prime. That is 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 we are not considering. And 13 is a prime number. उसको further हम divide नहीं कर सकते, उसको further split नहीं कर सकते. But whenever is asked that prime factorization of any number, you have to find the prime factorization of any number, then you have to split the number into its prime factors. So let us see. I have written one number, that is 24. मैंने एक number ले लिया 24. Okay. We can write this in three ways. In three ways I can write this. What? 2 12s are 24. Okay. Then 2 को हम split नहीं कर सकते. 2 will be like this only. Now it is 12. We can split 12. That is 2 6 are 12, right? Then 2 into 2, again 2 cannot be split further, but we can divide what? 6. We can split 6. That is 2 3s are 6. Now these all are prime factors. These all are prime numbers. It cannot be further divided. So what is prime factorization understood? When we split a number into its prime factors, then that is known as prime factorization. Clear? One more example. Let us take one more example. Okay, this only we can do in another way also, like 24. We can write it 6 4s are 24. Then we can split this 2 3s are 6, and what? 2 2s are 4. So this is this and this all are now prime factors. So we can do this question in this manner also. Okay, now just represent it. अब इसको अगर हमें और किसी वे में इसको pictorial representation देना है, so pictorial representation of prime factorization is what? Is factor tree. What? Factor tree. जब हम इसको pictorial representation देते हैं, like I have written what? Suppose we will take this one. Okay, 24 को हमने what will get? 2 and what? 12. Now 2 cannot be further divided, तो इसके और division नहीं होंगे. But this can be split. What we get? 2 and 6. Again we get the prime factor. It cannot be split further. Now this can be split further. That is 2 3s are 6. So children, it is very simple. This is known as factor tree. When we represent the factors of a number in pictorial form, then that is what? Factor tree, right? So let us see the next one. That is, we have taken off 24 ना. 24 का हमने पहले क्या लिया था? 2 into 12. 2 into 12. Second form what we have taken? 6 into 4. And one more. What? 3 into 8. 3 into 8. 3 into 2 into 4. Now 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So these are the different forms. I told you na 3 ways to write a number. These are the 3 ways. Okay children, I think it is clear to you. Prime factorization on the basis that you have to show with the help of factor tree. So you can do it. Okay. Now some more. Let us do 2 more questions. I have taken one number, that is 64. Right? I have taken this number 60. And I have taken one more number, that I have taken what? 80. Small number. Okay. Let us take this one. So 64 firstly write down. This is very important factor tree that you study in class 4, then 5, 6. Factor tree. Factor tree. This is factor tree. Okay. See this one. 2, or don't write 2. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 8 can be divided into 2 4s are 8. 2 और आगे divide नहीं हो सकता, but 4 can be split into 2 into 2. And this one say again 2 4s are 8, then 2, and this one 2. So how you will write this? You will write this like this. 24 is equal to, what are the factors? See, prime factors you have to write. Okay, this into this into this into this into this. So what we have? 2. One more. This one also. Okay. 2 into. See, this one 2. Then this one 2. Then this 2. Then this one. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये रुक गया है. Further split नहीं हुआ है. This 2 will write. Then this one 2. Then this one. So these are the. This is the prime factorization of 64. You'll write like this. Then after C of 18, if I am writing here 18, 2 9s are 18, right? Then 3 3s are 9. 2 9s are 18. Then 2 cannot be further divided or split. 9 can be split into its prime factors. So 9 3 3s are 9. So children, we got factors of 18 as 2, 3 and 3. 2 into 3 into 3. You write it like this. हम सारे factors को इसी तरह से लिखेंगे. Now if you have to make the factor tree of 18, how you will make? See, you can do 2 9s are 18, right? And 3 3s are what? 9. Okay, I have done here. Okay. So children, it is very much clear to you. Okay. Now let us come to the next topic. That is, so factor tree, I think this is clear. Come to the next, that is what? Factorize by division method. This we have done with factor tree. Okay. Now we have to do the second method, that is what? Division method. Division method. Division method. You have to factorize. You have to factorize by using division method. Okay. Let us take one example that I have taken of 4 2. Okay, 42 only. Take this. 2 LCM, this is also known as LCM method, right? 2 कितने सा 42, तो either you divide it, छोटे बच्चे रहते हैं वो डिवाइड करके लिख लेते हैं, और आप यहीं से इसको कर सकते हैं. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. सी, यू नीड नॉट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम यूनिट प्लेस, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट नंबर फ्रॉम दिस साइड, राइट हैंड साइड. 2 कितने सा 4 होता है? 2 2s are 4 होता है, राइट? देन 2 1s are 2. क्लियर? अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो 42 को, दैट इज वाई दिस इज नोन एज डिविजन मेथड, दैट इज एलसीएम मेथड. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So what we get? That is 21. So 21, right? Now 21, is it go with 2? See the unit place, 1 है unit place पे, तो क्या ये divisible है 2 का? No. For 3, what is the rule? That sum of the digits. तो 2 plus 1 कितना हो गया? 3. 3 के टेबल में आता है? Yes. So it will go with 3. See, 3 कितने जा? 3 7s are 21. Then 7 1s are 7. Okay. We have to take this side what? Prime factors, right? So 42 का LCM भी कह सकते हैं हम, और फैक्टर्स भी कह सकते हैं. That is 2 into 3 into 7. This is the prime factorization of 42 by using division method. Okay. Take one more example. I have taken a number 108. 2. Again start with 2. See, it is 1. 1 तो 2 से नहीं जाएगा. We have to take these two numbers. 2 कितने सा 10 होता है? 2 5s are 10 होता है, right? And 2 कितने सा 8? 2 4s are 8, right? फिर से देखो यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या है? 4 है. Again it will go with 2. 2 से इसको करो. 2 2s are 4. Then this one is 14 हो गया. 2 7s are 14. Now this is unit place is 7. Is it go with 2? No. So add करो आप. 7 plus 2 कितना आया? 9 आ गया. 9 3 की टेबल में आता है? Yes आता है. 3 9s are 27, right? अब क्या करेंगे? See, 9 है. Then again with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So children, what we get? See the LCM and write it. Write the prime factors of 108, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is the prime factorization of numbers by using division method. So I think it is clear to you. You can do some more question as an example. Okay. Now come to the next topic that we will take is HCF. What? HCF. This is also very important. Okay, we will discuss in the next video. We will discuss the HCF in next video as well as LCM in next video. So children, I think this topic is very much clear to you. This is very simple. आप इसको try करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा questions करिए. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th हर एक क्लास के लिए ये बहुत important topic है. उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. So subscribe it and press the bell icon ताकि आपको updated videos मिल पाए. Thank you and have a nice day.